Hi, welcome to Adobe Gab. Today, I will be going to show you how to make your voice deeper or shallow in Audition. So we are here in the remarkable world of Audition. And I already imported my file. First, drag your file on the timeline. And highlight the sound that you want to be sound deeper. Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab. Go to the Effects panel and find the time and pitch. Click the pitch shifter and in the semitones, change it to -4. Then hit apply.
Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab.
Click the pitch shifter again and change to -5. And it sound good. You can also change the voice to high pitch. Just increase the semitones by about 5.
Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe Gab, Adobe
And hit apply.
Adobe Gab, 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 Adobe.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot from this audition tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the notification bell so you wouldn't miss out on my videos and stay safe.